Now we're going to do a fantasy picture with some water. So we'll start off with our water first. So again, we need quite a high temperature, probably on about number 10. Higher the temperature, the more fluid it makes the wax, and the more it makes it look like water. So we'll put that down the middle first. It's a matter of it flows over to the edges because you'll still see plenty of it through the foliage. So our blue wax on first, then our white wax on after. Now we need to load our wax on the side. I know we've got these pieces on, now we've got something to work with. We've got our water in the middle and we've got our foliage down the outside. Now we've got to decide now what you want to do with it once you've got to this stage. So we'll do what we did before. Start to create around the edges here so that we actually lose our straight lines. It's not too heavy. Down with the temperature now because we don't need it so hot because we're not using the water. So we go right down to number 4 so we can get some detail into the picture without it spreading out too much. Turn this temperature up slightly, we're a bit low now, we're on number 4 which is probably quite a bit too low, so we've got to number 6. As you can see now on a lower temperature it's starting to drag across, it's not quite picking up properly. So we just give it that little bit more so we can get these defining lines in. There we are.